In this video, I'll show you how to fix or improve vocals in Suno AI step by step. First, go to the Suno AI website and log into your account. After logging in, open the music project you want to adjust. Now, review the prompt or song description. The way you write the prompt strongly affects the vocal results. Try to be more specific about the voice style. For example, male, female, soft, or energetic voice. You can also adjust the music, genre, or tempo. If the vocals are unclear, try simplifying the lyrics. Avoid very complex or hard to pronounce phrases. Another tip is to regenerate the song with small prompt changes. Small adjustments often improve the results significantly. You can also test different vocal styles available. Compare the results until you find the best version.